So we are back to the Kayelekera issue. Now, when you look at the Malawi system, the Malawi constitution, I think Malawi, the dziko remote, limene china chili chose sichimayenda. The law don't work because there is no rule of law in Malawi. There you have Antwolemera. Agungo wononga dziko licho. They are breaking the law. Akamangidwa kutuluka. Ambiri aline mabail pending appeal with Supreme Court. Nde kulibe system imene kugwira ntchito. Accountability ama party funding zipande zambiri zikumaba ndalama za boma like MCP panopa ilibe munthu amene akuipatsa ndalama zonse zikuchokera ku account ya boma ma taxes misonkho ya Malawi. Mudati muipange investigate MCP right now. Mupeza kuti ndalama zonse zimene agwirisa ntchito for campaign zachokera ku treasury. Why? Because kulibe accountability, independent accountability systems and structures that can hold the ruling party to account. Maiko anzatu chipani chili chonse chimapereka list ya madonors ake kuti madonors athu ndi awa, anthu amene atipatsa ndalama ndi awa. This is how much money we have raised for adverts. Ma adverts ndalama izi kuchokera kwa ma companies awa. Ma company amene ajawa timadziwa kuti these companies amapanga fund chipani. Pamene ku Malawi aliyesa amapanga zaka bisalira. They go behind ndikupanga tumadiro tija ndicho linga lyokuti awawa akatenga boma makampani ajazapange hogo ma contracts. Look at it now. Tilindi yellow cake uranium. Nditakuza ninayo kuti ma organizations za ku Malawi, CSOs, onse palibe wanzela amene anena kuti pakali panopa let us have a press conference. Let us talk to Lotus Company. Let us understand the value of this yellow cake. Mukudziwa chimene samapanga zimenezo. Because amafuna azikapita kumbali akasaine madilo umene uja akabete ndalama. Malawi tume kusauka ndi mindset ilo. Pali anthu ambiri amene ndimadziwa ine ya ku Malawi anatuluka dziko mucha. The moment they just left Malawi anayamba kulemera. Why does it take you to leave Malawi for you to become an instant billionaire? It's because the system in Malawi doesn't allow you. It's not conducive to innovative minds and people that are working towards progress. That is why dziko lijama bezeka kuti aliyense ndolemera mofanana. Ngati mukudziwa munthu olemera ku Malawi, they are rich mofanana. Amasauka so mofanana. They lose money mofanana. Because they are all taking money from the same source, the same person, the same system, the same structure. Politics, government. Government is the biggest employer. At the same time, government is the biggest corrupter of people. Mindset change. That's what's needed. Ndepanova, mugadi mubange review my license source. A mining. Bwanji tilibe ngodi wenu uwundi ngodi wa ku Malawi. Koma ku Malawi kutuluka gold. Kutuluka gold ndi ku Malawi. Koma tilibe a proper gold mine. Kuti this is an official national gold mine ya dziko. Kuti company yake ndi imene ineyo ntapanga create a company, a gold company, a gold mining company. Let me say, I call the gold company Gold Leaf. Right? That means I will put infrastructure for Gold Reef. I will be mining Kunkatabe. If you go to Kunkatabe, it means aliyense wa Kunkatabe, Nyamata, Mtsikana, akafuna ntchito, tiyapanga employ. Ndiye kumene kuja, kukhala ma miners, kukhala catering, kukhala media, kukhala ma PR team, kukhala mafana ona accountability ya my operations. That means you have employed the whole district, including the region. Tilibe. The reason why we don't have mining companies in Malawi that are worth their salt is because people are illegally mining. My ministers are mining, have energy are mining. Those ones are selling contracts quietly without public scrutiny to the point yokuti akudziwa imene saoka. Ndeno mazofunsa kuti kodi dziko lilibe forex at this age in our time. Tizikande dziko lopanda forex. Does that make sense? Well, it doesn't make sense because it wouldn't make sense. Because we don't have the structures in place that can generate the forex intake in Malawi. Palibe amene angabwerese forex in Malawi, my investors akabwera kumene kuja kumapemphedwa ndalama ndi anthu andale. Ndikwapangidwa blockade akapanda kulipira. Politics ya Malawi, it's all about corruption, stealing, and not developing the people. Now, you ask yourself, what is the constitution? When we say, we the people, is corrupt, it's not MCP arresting the guy. It's we, the people. The constitution starts with we, the people. Us. Authority is appointed by we, the people. MCP, if it's a ruling government, it is appointed by we, the people, meaning that we, the people, have the last say. Do we? No, we don't. But why don't we have the last say? Because we are not educated on the Constitution. A lot of people don't even know their rights. You go on the streets of Malawi and ask anybody, say, could he recite the Bill of Rights for me, Muchijewa? Nobody will. Not a single person knows the Bill of Rights in our Constitution. Do we even have it? We do, but it's not framed like that. Because Antamina framed Constitution in Malawi. Anapanga a unitary constitution. Ifeo Malawi in terms of strength and rama, economy market we are very small. We are a shrunk economy, a shrunk market. We don't even have a stock exchange that is vibrant so that we can trade there. No company in Malawi is publicly trading. There is no IPOs that we can actually point at and say, okay, that guy is doing an IPO. Let's go and see. Let's see the trading, the index, whatever, nothing. Jango kala antwajo kuti timatuka mama ndukagwira ntchito kudigirira malipiro. Tikapanga ma business tudalira anthu andale atipatse ma contract. We cannot create opportunities because everything is hogged by the ruling elites. These things have to change. And the only way we can change is to devolve that country. Devolution. Federalism. No, forget about federalism. Let's just start with devolving the structures of governance. Let's create demarcational governance units like provincial governance. You have the northern province, you have the central province, eastern province, southern province. Then have governors there, create a unitary, a functional, decentralized system of regulation, create a Senate representative. That kind of representation will help facilitate autonomy of governance by region. All decisions will not be made at Capitol Hill. My districts are many resources. They are affirmative action. Uyu, Garabanga produce a lot of oil. Abange subsidize my provinces. Karonga Bange subsidize Rumpi and Mzimba. Nkhani Bange subsidize Nkota and Salima, so forth. And then Tima Bezegawudi Tabanga put together a developmental strategy that will help build a country. But Pagalibano, nothing is happening. It's kaput. The Devolution, we are